Becoming an industry leader in 3D technology doesn't happen overnight. It takes hard work. It takes passion. It's pushing the boundaries of technology and reimagining how we use 3D imaging and its data. And it takes experience. For over 40 years, FARO has been redefining how the world captures, measures, and understands data. FARO is more than just a technology company. FARO delivers solutions. Solutions that solve real-world challenges and help businesses operate more efficiently and with greater confidence. And with a full range of solutions that bring real-world data into digital form, FARO gives you the tools to keep your projects on track and moving forward. Confidence on a job site by getting an accurate data set the first time. Confidence knowing the components are the right dimensions and the right specs for all your manufacturing needs. Confidence at a crash or crime scene knowing your data will be reliable and accurate for the courtroom. And confidence knowing that all the data is available in one place, accessible and available to those who need it when they need it. FARO gives you the right tools so you can work smarter and save time. Time that you can use to bring every project to the finish line, with FARO by your side.